It's your boy Gene Opa. A little bit change of scenery. Not on the bike because today is a very special day. Isn't that right? It's a very special day. We have something of great importance here in my room. Ooh, that's my address right there. This box holds the greatest destiny of all. Hey, hold on, this box look a little messed up. God damn. But enough of the jokes. This is my exhaust. What the? Or at least I hope it's my exhaust. God damn. Like someone stepped on this. I know it came from China, but damn. Gonna be doing a full opening with you guys to see this beautiful exhaust. eBay exhaust. But yeah, fuck it, dude. If it's loud, it's loud. That's how I think about it. I mean, I'm still gonna buy my proper exhaust, which is either SE Project or a Kropovich, but I don't got it like that to be dropping 25 hundo. So this will do for now, just to get it, you know, some sound out there. But this is gonna be a first opening with you guys and me. Geez, I hope everything is in here. Okay, there's the exhaust. Okay, I hope it's not damaged because the box looks smashed. Just the springs in there. Okay. This is the KO exhaust on eBay. And they make these for the 2015 and up to the 2023 R1. And guys, the price of this exhaust is like no brainer, $182. You get the whole mid pipe. Let me open it. God, this is so sexy. So for $182, you get this beautiful, probably fake carbon fiber tip. It doesn't look bad. Like, dude, I just want my bike loud for a little bit. And this is definitely gonna do it. This is like a little stubby on the end here. And look at the headers. Full, not headers, mid pipe. I mean, it's not the best quality. What is that? A silencer? It even comes with a silencer. Yeah, we won't be needing that. I want this sucker loud. I do see little scratches there, but that could be from the shipping. Some little, I guess, like bad welding stuff there, I guess. But the rest of it looks decent. Dude, I just want my baby loud. I just want her loud. I want to rev her and hear the engine. But yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. So, what do you think? Oh, I didn't mean to scare you. What do you think, Peanut? Do you approve of the exhaust? Oh, he ran away. Could be a bad sign. But now this exhaust looks sick. I can't wait to put this on. And yeah, I will tune in when this is on. And I will be on the bike. And you will hear this beautiful exhaust.
Oh my god, I love this exhaust. Oh. Gotta give y'all a tour of the exhaust. So there she is, she looking good, baby. And we're finna go over there to that tunnel and let her rip, because I know she's fucking loud as shit right now. There's a little bit of an exhaust link underneath it, but I might take it to the shop and sort it out. I just wanted to fucking ride it so bad to where I didn't give a fuck right now. So we are gonna go to that tunnel over there and rev her, because she pops a little bit too. So we're gonna let her rip a little bit. I am at Memorial Park right now, and they got some tunnels over here. So we are going to see, for me, yep. All right, here we go. Turn my volume down for this. Good job recording. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. She is loud as shit, and I fucking love it. I gotta be careful because I gotta put some air inside my front tire, because I can feel it like it shouldn't be this low. So, and my front wheel is giving me a lot of fucking speed wobble action going on. So that shit is not cool. But we are finna spin back on the fucking tunnel. We'll take this, thank you. I want to spin back on that tunnel, baby. Gotta hit it twice. Ah! That pop was crazy. Shit. Oh shit. Oh my god, I'm speechless. Oh, it's a little mini tunnel right here. Oh my god, she popped so loud when I shifted to third gear. She sounds so sexy. I gotta hit the tunnel one more time. Oh, the turning angle in the R1 is so tight. Oh shit! Hold on. The Lambo. Oh my god. Hey, that thing is nice. Old guy driving it. Alright, one more time, and then I'm gonna pull over. fucking god, she sounds so good. She sounds so fucking good, bro. I cannot. But she is on, and I am digging it. Dude, she is fucking loud as shit. I still gotta fine tune the middle portion of it because it kind of has an exhaust leak, and I'm kind of a stickler when it comes to like doing things correctly. So I probably should have bought some exhaust, I forgot what it's called, paste to rub on the ends of it to help stop that, but it's a minor exhaust leak, so I'm fine with it. But man, she is loud as shit, and I am enjoying it. I need to put some air in my front tires. Don't mind all the dirt. It was from that ride yesterday. It rained so bad if you went to it, and my bike pretty much got drenched. So I got to re-clean her, get her back into pristine condition because she's dirty right now. So yeah, guys, it's just gonna be a short one. I just want to show you guys the exhaust. I know it's loud as fuck. I know you guys are excited about it. Old girl has been quiet for far too long, but now she's finally awake and you can hear her. So man, she's popping like crazy too. I was even gonna put like a popping tune on it, but she pops so much right now to where I don't even think I want to. So and she is delicious. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it short right here, guys. Just want to show you guys the exhaust, and I'm gonna head home. And not really, I'm not gonna head home. I'm gonna ride for a little bit and hammer on this exhaust. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, peace. All right, boys, one more. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I'm done. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here before the police come. Alright, I love you guys. Bye.